Like Instagram comment with just double tap. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the new features that Instagram has unlocked. Yes, you heard it right. Now we can like a comment on Instagram using just a double tap. This simple gesture can save you a time and it's super convenient. Now without further ado, let's get it started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in to your account. And once you have opened the Instagram, simply hover to the post that you like the most. As here you can see in this post there is about a 40 comments. So what I'm gonna do is just simply tap on the comment icon and I'll be prompted to the comment section. In this section, I'm gonna simply search for the comment that I like the most. Now to like the comment, just simply double tap on it and you will see a small heart icon appearing next to the comment, confirming that your like has been added. But if you change your mind, just double tap on the comment again and your like will be removed. And that's it. Now you have learned to like a comment on Instagram with just double tap. It's super easy, right? If this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Instagram tips. Got any questions or ideas for future tutorials? Drop them in the comments below and I will try to respond it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.